Hello viewers, and welcome again in another video from Mind and Body Holistic Health Clinic, Birmingham, UK. My name is Ali and I'm a naturopath. I'm an integrated health practitioner, and I practice with homeopathy, aromatherapy, herbal supplements, and of course with nutrition at my clinic. I'm based in Birmingham, UK, by the way. In my videos, the main aim is to give some basic insight and information and awareness about various medical disorders. And also quite often we talk about, natural and holistic remedies as well. The remedy I'm going to give you some basic information today is a very basic and very important homeopathic remedy, and we use this remedy quite often, especially when the condition is acute and the onset of the medical condition is very rapid and sudden. So the remedy I'm going to give you some basic information today is called Aconitum nipalis, and simply we call it Aconite. So this is a remedy which should be kept in every household because it is used quite often in many medical disorders, especially when they are of acute or sudden in nature. You can use this remedy for headaches, especially when your head feels warm and your rest of the body feels cold to touch. You can also use it for earache, especially when you are exposed to cold air. It can also be prescribed for eyes affections, especially when you have red eyes, inflamed eyes, and especially there's a peculiar symptom that you can't sense light. You are sensitive to light. You have great photophobia as well. You can also use this remedy for lungs problems, especially when you have chronic or sudden nature of violent coughs with shortness of breath. It is also used for cardiovascular conditions, for heart issues, when your pulse rate is fast and you've got great palpitations as well. Many people, they use Aconite for fevers as well, especially when there's a fever with chill and a lot of shivering. When we talk about the mental symptoms or the mind symptoms of this remedy, it is used especially for great fears and phobias. It is a very basic remedy for people who have got a lot of fears and phobias, especially they have got fear of darkness, fear of death, fear of being alone, and they get a lot of panic attacks and anxieties. So if you have this kind of nature that you get anxious very easily, you get panic attacks, you've got various kind of fears and phobias, you should definitely consider taking Aconite nipalis. Now, how to take these remedies? First of all, try to avoid self-medication. If you've got any of these symptoms, it's always good to speak to a qualified homeopath for second opinion. But if you want to use remedies, try not to use them as in drops, but make them as in globules or pills. And you can take these pills 2 or 3 times a day directly in your mouth without water, before or after meals, few times a day, and you will feel improvement within few weeks. So thanks for watching. I'll see you again with another video, and we'll talk about another remedy. Take care. Bye bye.